In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Otter AI Transcript. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and which format to pick so you can quickly save your transcript for sharing, editing, or archiving. First, open your browser and log in to otter.ai using your regular account. This puts you on the dashboard where all your recordings and meetings are stored. If you're already signed in, you can skip straight to the main workspace. Next, head to My Conversations. This is the central library where Otter keeps your recorded meetings, imported audio, and any shared conversations. It's the easiest place to find the session you want to export without digging through different sections. Now, click the meeting or recording you want to download. Opening it lets you confirm you've got the right file by glancing at the title, date, and a preview of the transcript. Taking a moment here saves you from exporting the wrong conversation. Look to the top right corner of the conversation page and click the three-dot menu, often labeled with an ellipsis. This menu holds additional actions for the recording, including the one we need next. Choose Export from the menu. This opens the Export panel where you pick how you want your transcript saved. You'll see several format options. TXT gives you a clean, plain text file that's great for quick edits in any text editor. Docx is ideal if you plan to format the transcript in a word processor or share it with teammates who prefer documents. PDF locks in the layout and is perfect for official sharing, printing, or archiving. SRT creates subtitle files with timecodes, which are essential if you're adding captions to videos on platforms that accept subtitle uploads. Think about where your transcript will end up: documents, emails, video editors, and pick the format that matches your workflow. Once you've selected the format, click Export. Otter will process the file and start the download. Depending on your browser settings, it should save automatically to your default Downloads folder. If your browser prompts you, choose where you want the file to go so you can find it easily later. After the download completes, you're all set. Your transcript is now saved to your computer in the format you chose, ready for editing, sharing, or importing into your favorite tools. If you're working with video captions, remember that the SRT file will pair with your video in your editing software or on your video platform. That's it. Simple, fast, and reliable. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined Otter transcript workflow.